Jobs and occupations. A chef is a professional cook who prepares food for others. A veterinarian or vet provides medical care for sick and injured animals. An astronaut is a space explorer who travels in a spacecraft. A singer performs for others, either live or recorded, for entertainment purposes. A dentist is a tooth doctor who looks after teeth and gums. A musician makes music for the entertainment of others. An architect designs buildings and houses. A flight attendant provides food, beverage, and support services on a ship or aircraft. A pilot operates an aircraft, flying it from one destination to another. A doctor provides medical care to sick and injured people. An athlete is someone who competes in professional sporting events. A teacher helps students to gain new knowledge. An artist creates paintings and drawings for others to enjoy. A dancer performs dance moves, often for the entertainment of others. A photographer captures events, people, and moments in time to help create memories. Guess who can help me? I need a cake for my birthday party. A baker can help me. I want to build a new house. An architect can help me. My tooth hurts. A dentist can help me. My dog is sick. A veterinarian or vet can help me. I want to improve my writing skills. A teacher can help me. I am not feeling well. A doctor can help me. I want to cut my hair short. A hairstylist can help me. I need a new passport photo. A photographer can help me. Very nice job. Visit inworldschool.com.